How much revenue does a food truck generate, and how can I increase my food truck revenue? Well, in this video from Food Truck Freaks, we're going to dive into 20 creative ideas that will actually create 20 streams of revenue for your food truck business in 2023 and beyond. So if you are actually launching a food truck, you want to listen to this video from beginning to end, because I'm going to count down the 20 ways that you can create revenue with your one single food truck. We're going to dive into that 20 list right now, guys. All right, so welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. It's Damian Roberti, founder and CEO of Marketing Food Online and Food Truck Freaks. We are all about food entrepreneurship. Check out our other YouTube channels. We have a ton of channels here on YouTube dedicated to food entrepreneurship. We'll have those links down below in the description section. Now, also double check as we go along. Give us a big thumbs up if this information is helpful. I want to run down revenue streams. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, Damian, I have a food truck. I go to an event and I sell food through the window. What do you mean I can create multiple streams of income or revenue streams with one food truck? Well, first off, you need to understand what food truck revenue streams really are. So if you're looking to start a food truck or if you're already running one, it is important to understand the various revenue streams that can contribute to your business's success. By diversifying your revenue streams, you can actually help ensure that your food truck is profitable and sustainable in the long run and year round, actually. So in this video, I wanted to take a closer look and cover the idea of revenue streams, what they are, and why they actually matter to the food truck industry and your food truck, and some of the most common revenue streams that food truck owners should consider. Now, the first question is, what are revenue streams? So in business terms, revenue streams are referred to various ways that a company can make money. Now, for a food truck, for instance, revenue streams might include things like selling food, catering services, or even merchandise sales. By diversifying your revenue stream through your one single food truck, you can actually help spread out your income and make your business even more stable because you won't solely rely upon one individual stream. So for example, if you're a food truck and it is only earning revenue from selling food, you might struggle during slow periods of the year and there's a change in the market. However, if you are also earning revenue from catering services or merchandise sales, you can also offset those slow times with those different revenue streams. Now, why are revenue streams really important for food trucks, Damian? Well, food trucks actually face a really unique challenge that traditional restaurants and businesses don't have to deal with. For example, food trucks are often subject to more regulations and restrictions, and they have limited space. That's very important to remember. And they have to be mobile. So because of these challenges, it's especially important for food trucks to have a diverse revenue stream in order to stay profitable. Now, in addition to food trucks often rely on foot traffic and local events to bring in customers, this really means that your revenue can be heavily influenced by factors outside of your control. Like, for instance, the biggest one of all, weather, okay, or even the popularity of the event that you're at. So by diversifying those revenue streams, you can help mitigate these risks as well, because these are some that some people don't think about. Now, we're going to dive into that list as I promised, and we're going to get into number one. Okay, so now that we've pretty much covered what revenue streams are and it's important for food trucks, let's take a closer look at some of the most common revenue streams that food truck owners should consider. Number one, of course, food sales. Now, this is the most obvious revenue stream for a food truck. Selling your food is the core of your business, and it's where the majority of your income will likely come from. Now, to maximize your food sales, of course, you'll need to focus on creating a menu that's both delicious but profitable in the long run. Number two, catering services. Now, many food trucks also offer catering services for events like corporate parties, weddings, festivals, and so on. Now, this can be a great way to earn additional income, especially during slow periods when foot traffic might be lower at certain events that you take your food truck to. Number three, this is a big one, guys, and you can make a lot more money with. Once you've created your brand and your logo and you've got a loyal following, merchandise sales. Some food trucks also sell merchandise like t-shirts, hats, or even stickers. While this might not be a huge revenue stream, it can help generate additional income and also serve as a form of marketing for your business. Next up, number four, online ordering. So in recent years, many food trucks have actually started offering online ordering through apps like Uber Eats or even Grubhub. Now, this can be a great way to expand your customer base and generate additional income. Number five, even alcohol sales. So depending on, of course, the regulations in your area, you may be able to sell beer or even wine with your food truck. While this is a more niche revenue stream, it can still boost your profits, especially if you're able to attend events where alcohol can be sold. Now, next one is a huge one. This is an exciting one. Branded partnerships. Believe it or not, a lot of food trucks are beginning to partner with other businesses and brands to offer co-branded menu items or even events. Now, this can be a great way to actually generate additional income and also gain exposure for your food truck. Number 7, food truck park rentals. So in some areas, there are dedicated food truck parks that allow multiple food trucks to park and sell their foods at the same time. Of course, renting a space at a food truck park can be a great way to reach new customers and generate additional income. Now, food truck rental parks, just to let you know a side note, they are different than attending different events. Like if you've got a music festival or if you've got a food festival and you have food trucks there. That's different because food truck parks are literally an entire park with all kinds of different flavor profiles and trucks that go there at the same time. So they are slightly different than other events. Number 8 is food truck festivals. Now, another way to reach new customers and generate additional income is to participate in food truck festivals. Now, these events often attract large crowds and, of course, can be a great way to expose your business to even more locals who may have never heard about you. Number 9, private events. Now, in addition to catering services, some food trucks also offer private event services, such as birthday parties or even office lunches. This could be another great way to earn additional income utilizing your food truck and build relationships with new customers for even potentially more private events. Number 10, food truck collaborations. Now, collaborating with other food trucks. Now, this may sound a little odd, but just hear me out. Collaborating with other food trucks can be a great way to generate additional income and also create buzz around your business. For an example, you might actually partner with another food truck to offer a special menu item that combines both of your cuisines. That actually boosts both of your incomes. Number 11, food truck memberships. Now, some food trucks have begun in the early 2000s, actually. This is something that has taken off. Some food trucks have offered memberships that provide customers with discounts or special offers. Now, this can be a great way to encourage repeat business and generate additional income for the food truck. Number 12, pop-up events. Now, these are temporary events, but they are really unique. Pop-up events are temporary events that allow businesses to set up shop in a specific location for a limited time. Not something like a usual location, just a limited time. Participating in these pop-up events can be a great way to reach new customers who may have never actually known you were there because these pop-up events happen so spontaneously. Number 13, delivery services. Now, in addition to online ordering, the ordering systems through online, some food trucks also offer delivery services. Now, this could be a great way to expand your customer base and generate additional income as well, especially if you're able to reach customers who might not be able to visit your truck in person, but you're in their community. Number 14, gift cards. Yes, believe it or not, selling gift cards can be a great way to generate additional income because the income is upfront, especially during the holiday season. Now, it can also be a great way to encourage repeat business as customers who receive gift cards are more likely to visit your food truck again and again. Number 15, sponsorships. Now, depending on your location and, of course, the event you attend, you may be even able to secure sponsorships from local businesses. These sponsorships can provide you additional income and can also increase your visibility in the community since you are partnering with them. Now, this one's really cool. A lot of food trucks don't think about this, but if you know how to run a food truck, well, number 16 is cooking classes. Yes, if you have a unique culinary background or expertise, you might even consider offering cooking classes or workshops utilizing your food truck. This can be a great way to generate additional income and also showcase your skills to potential customers. Number 17, merchandise partnerships. Now, this is slightly different than just selling merch. In addition to selling your own merchandise, you might also consider partnering with other businesses or brands to offer co-branded merchandise. Now, this can be a great way to generate additional income and also increase your visibility. Seasonal menus is number 18. This is really unique as well. Now, offering seasonal menu items can be a great way to generate additional cash flow if you keep your menu fresh and interesting for customers on a seasonal basis. Now, this is something that a lot of food truck owners don't utilize. They stick to one specific menu, which is okay, don't get me wrong. But if you're versatile and you have the ability to tap into local ingredients, it's a great way to also help local businesses. Number 19 is a food truck memberships. Now, some food trucks offer memberships that provide customers with discounts and special offers, and this can be a great way to encourage repeat customers and generate additional income because they get special discounts as well. We talked about that on number 11 slightly, but this one is, of course, similar to the idea that you would offer a membership that gives them discounts on the purchases they make frequently. Last but not least, probably the most lucrative of all. Number 20 is food truck franchises. So if you've had success with your food truck, you might actually consider expanding your business by offering franchise opportunities to other aspiring food owners. This can actually be a great way to generate additional income on a much bigger scale because food truck franchises can be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars and even a percentage of additional sales on a regular basis. So in conclusion, understanding your food truck's revenue streams can be essential for ensuring long-term success of your business. But remember, diversifying your income sources and exploring new revenue streams can actually help you make your food truck more stable, profitable, and sustainable over time. Now, if you have any questions about these 20 revenue streams, let us know down below in the comments section. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and check out these additional video resources here. And I'll see you on our next video from Food Truck Freaks.